Okay, so in this movie we'll explain why sometimes we have one solution, two solutions, zero solution for a quadratic equation through formulas. And we have three equations which are all obviously quadratics. And let's try to solve all three of them and see what we get. Okay, so for this one, what do? We do x1, 2, and we get minus b plus minus the root of b squared minus 4ac, which becomes 24 over 2a, cool. And then if we go on with this, we get minus 5 plus minus 1 over 2. And then we get two answers, negative 2 and negative 3. Notice that this happens because this was positive. So plus minus 1 gives me two options. And it's because under the root, we have a positive number. So as you can see, when we have a positive number under the root, we got two solutions. Okay, that was one. Number two. Number two is this, the middle one. That's what happens. So x1, 2 is minus b plus minus the root of b squared minus 4ac, which is minus 4, over 2a, which is again 2. And then we get x1, 2 is minus 2 plus minus 0 over 2. But plus 0 and minus 0 is the same thing, and for both cases we get just one answer, okay? So in here, because this was 0, because under the root I had 0, I'm just left with one answer. That's just the way it is. Just that's what the math gives us. And last one, let's see what happens in here. x1, 2 is minus b plus minus the root of b squared minus 4ac, which is in this case 44 over 2a. But I can't even go on. Of course, 2a in here is also 2. I can't even go on. Why? Because in here, under the root, I have a negative number, and there's no such thing as a root for a negative number. So in here, I don't have any solution. So you see how the math explains why sometimes we have one answer, two answers, or no answer for a quadratic equation.